Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this Anker Z 1 year review. So I've had the Anker Z portable power bank for about 1 year now, and I take this with me every time I go on a trip. I recently just came back from Japan, and this was my portable charger of choice. Now, when it comes to using portable chargers, there's about two main things that I look for. Number one, is it convenient to actually carry around? And number two, does it actually charge fast? So this portable charger is a 30-watt power bank, and so it really does. I kid you not. All right, I've used a lot of portable chargers, and this Anker Z portable charger charges phones fast. All right, so it's pretty simple. I mean, also the wires. What I've realized after using the Anker Z portable charger is that you really shouldn't need extremely long wires when it comes to charging your devices on the go. So these wires are about like maybe 6 inches in length. That's all you need. And then I love how it tucks away neatly back into itself. So what I mean is if I tuck it back into here, so you can tuck it back in so it takes even less room. But I kid you not, this thing charges my phone so fast. Like it can go from 0 to 60, 80% in a matter of less than 10 minutes. It charges really fast. So I absolutely love it. It's a very simple, non-complex charger. Like you can see it has a 47% charge left. You've got a USB port here, you've got a Type-C cable and a lightning cable as well. And this is where you charge it though. And then you just press this button to see how much battery's left. But portable chargers don't get any simpler than this, I feel. Like I absolutely love this. I highly recommend it, especially if you travel. Instead of charging my phone, what I actually do is that I actually charge this now. Just because this charges my phone so fast. Like I literally think this charges my phone faster than the actual plug outlet. But yeah, that's my 1 year review.